So you need to basically think about the ideas that you can actually do by onto Google News, and after that, all will be done with the help of the script will be done by the software, the voiceover will be done by the software, the video will be done by the software, and you use all of it and compile it with the help of all the video editors or movie editors that you can make YouTube videos without showing your face. I'm only showing you today in this video. So right now we are here into this whole channel of Brainy Doors, and we can all see something really unique, something really exciting. So right now we can all see that this channel has got 1.8 million subscribers, and here we can see that whenever we compare the whole status, we can see that every single day they're gaining good amount of views. That is almost 100 to 200k views every single day, and this is completely new for us because we will be seeing something really cool. But we can all that we will be actually be looking into this whole overview, and here we can see that this is a channel which is making almost 10k every single month. Don't you want to have almost 10k every single month? If that is your goal, I would say that this channel is perfectly for you. Now what we are going to be doing is very simple. We are going to be actually watching that how they are actually doing it, and I'm going to be showing you a secret tool that you can actually use. Now every single day this channel is getting this amount of views, and now whenever we go on to the video section, you will be actually be able to see that what kind of videos are they making. I mean, like, they're having 1.8 million subscribers, but what kind of videos are they making so that they are getting this amount of views and this much amount of subscribers, and they're making almost 10k every single month. That's almost 120k, 100 to 120k just from YouTube AdSense. Not just affiliate marketing can also be done with the help of that. Then you can understand how much the potential of earning is onto this niche. Now whenever we come into here, we can all see that how to know yourself and all of it. So we are going to be sorting it by the most popular, and you know how to do it, right? And whenever we go on to the special feature, now as an expert we are going to be looking on to this thing, that people who like to be alone, people of vitamin 14 science, benefits of apple cider vinegar. You can see 15 cute things, how to stop being shy, 12 laws of karma. Basically what we're going to be doing, we are now here onto Google, and now we are be using Google to do the same thing. How we can do it? It's completely simple. We need to go on to Google News, and now whenever we go on to Google News, here you can see that here it is Google News. And now whenever we are in Google News, we are going to be going on to Google News, and here we are going to be getting a massive amount of things, and I am super excited because here we can see that on India, it is on India. I am going to be changing it just for you, so that, for example, that if you are from anywhere from the whole world, now we are going to be going on to language and region, and you can basically change it onto your desires that you want. So I am going to be changing it to United States because that's the major country that we can actually have great amount of ad, that is RPM will be really really high. And we actually can see right now that there are so many foreign Canadian and all of it. So we need to go down up here, and we will be actually going on to health. So whenever you go on to this health segment, I am going to be showing you that there are different segments that you can target. We are going to be going on to latest medicine, healthcare, health, mental health, and nutrition, fitness, and whatnot. That means what? That means you are basically having every single way that you can actually want to have. And whenever you have those opportunities, you will be actually be choosing from nutrition. That is what I prefer, because you are going to be having updated news, and people like to try different nutritional techniques always. So we are going to be going on to this thing. Number one, best fruit to prevent aging, science says. So let's click on to this, and now we will be using a special tool. So the number of tools that you can actually use, I am going to be showing you so that you can easily understand and you can do the same thing again and again. Now what we are going to be using, we are going to be using three different tools so that you get the best amount of things that you can actually use. Now here we are, we have got our article, and now what I'm going to show you, you do not have to do basically anything. You're going to be simply copying and paste. It is that simple. So can you understand what I'm trying to say? If you can relate with it, do like right now. Okay, so here we are here on to the number one best fruit to prevent aging as according to science. Now, here is all the written things. When you think about aging, about the best nuts, low aging, and you can see avocados are the best. Yes, avocados are a fruit, and here all of it. So we do not have to read the whole thing. Basically, we have got our article that we can use. Since on Google News it is being featured, that means it's a great article that you can actually learn and you can read it from. Now we are going to be going on to Rev, and now we are here on to Rev, and we are going to be going on to Rev after that. Whenever we go on to Rev, we will be actually doing a very cool thing. What is it? We can see that it is a speech to text and so much thing. So if you want to do that, you can basically do that all easily. Now, you can use that is you can simply, for example, if you are here, you want to copy this video, you want to copy this video or this video, whichever you want, you can actually copy this and then you can go on to rev.com and then you can convert the whole audio or video into text. And after that, you can write your own speech if you want to do. Now, whenever we will be going on to that, we are going to be having something really exciting. Now we need what? Now we need a voice, a voiceover, and voiceover people are really costly. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be using an artificial intelligence. This is known as morph. Now we are going to be using morph so that we can actually use really easily. So and it will be really cool to use. Now, whenever we get an article just like this, we have got an article just like this, we have been going on to Murph and onto this Murph AI voice generator. That means what? That means the voices that we are going to be getting is completely simple. So if I need to explain it to you, basically, if I need to give you a diagram, I'm going to be showing it to you right now. So the first thing that we need to do is we are here onto YouTube, let's assume. So we are here onto YouTube, and whenever we go on to a special place that is Google News, from Google News, we can choose or we can actually search the article that we want. And whenever we get the article that we want, we are going to be using a rewriting tool and we will be actually writing it up. So if you want to use something that is completely automated, I am going to be sharing with you in another video. Now, whenever we are actually doing the whole thing, we have rewritten all our text. Now, for making a video, we first need an idea, right? So next we need a script. And after that, whenever we got a script, we can actually go on to do a voiceover. So whenever we got a voiceover, now what we're going to do is very simple. Now we are going to be going on to video making. Now, whenever we make the whole video, now we are going to be going on to a movie editor and then we are going to be compiling all of it. So it's a very simple process that you can actually do. Now, you just need to think and then the script will be made by automatic. You need to basically think about the ideas that you can actually do by onto Google News, and after that all will be done with the help of the script will be done by the software, the voiceover will be done by the software, the video will be done by the software, and you use all of it and compile it with the help of all the video editors or movie editors that you have. And again, you can use two softwares that I would like to say. First is OpenShot, the second one is DaVinci Resolve that I personally love. Okay, so DaVinci Resolve is something that you can use, and both of them are free softwares if you want to use them. Again, if you want to use something really free, then you can go on to Pexels or you can go on to Pixabay. That will be helping you up in making the right choices. And now, when everything is ready, what you need to do is that you need to simply upload the video. And whenever you upload the video, your all thing is done. Now you have got a YouTube video that already you have chosen, and then the final product that you get is the YouTube video, the same exact YouTube video. That means what? That means if this video has got 10 million views, your video is going to be getting 10 million views whenever you actually optimize it correctly. And whenever you optimize and do the SEO, then you are going to be getting some real result. Okay, so you are going to be getting some real result with the help of that. How you can do it, how you can do the SEO, I have given a link in the description and that will be helping you up. Now you can actually use three SEO tools that I completely recommend. Now the first one is vidIQ, and the second one is TubeBuddy, and the third one I have given a link in the description where I have shown the entire process that how you can do as a complete beginner if you don't know anything about the whole YouTube, so that a complete beginner can get some real results that a professional is getting. Now you can actually choose that way, and after that you are going to be getting some real results fast. And now this is not some get rich quick because it takes time, and but you can learn all of these things real fast. In a flick of a second you can learn. So now let's go on to the video again. Right now we are here in Morph, and you can see explore our new voice collection that they have. So we can actually choose from the voice collection that they actually have, and we can open studio, do the voiceover, and we have got so many people up here. And not just that, you can actually use if you're a product developer, educator, marketer, author, corporate tech, and all of it. So basically what we need to do is that we can actually go on to the products up here. We can do the AI text to speech, and whenever we come in here we will be actually be able to see that there are 120 AI voices. You can use all of it, and when you go on to the advanced AI voices you can actually do the text to speech. Now we need to go on to another website. This is known as InVideo, and we actually use InVideo really cool way. I have given a link in the description, and if you want to use this thing, this is simply great. I love this option because there is an option from which you can see text to video. So what happens in there is whenever you put on the text, it will automatically make the text into a video. For example, if you say that I love puppies, so there will be a image or a video of a puppy. Yes, this is how with the help of artificial intelligence it works, and it makes a video just for you. And whenever you actually make the whole video, you upload the voiceover, it is completely done. That means what? If you compile all of them together, you have a finished product, just like a video or a channel that is having almost 1.8 million subscribers. That means what? You can have the same channel without using your face or doing the voiceover. So whenever you learn all of it, you will be super happy to make a channel just like this. Now here we are in video, and here you can see pre-made templates and text to speech, that is text to video. And here we can see some blank canvas up here, and whenever we choose the text to video you can all see, and here is what's in the hot and up here. And here you can see for real estate, for gaming consoles, book a demo with export, and here is article to video, and here are some really cool things that you can choose from. And whenever you choose from all of it, you can use the AI that is by Morph, and then you can use so much language, so many languages basically, and the pricing is not very high. I think it's worth it whenever you don't want to show your face or don't want to use your voice, because this is how you can actually grow on YouTube with the help of, and yes, I'm talking to you, you can actually have a channel just like this. You can see right up here, you can see the Brainy Dose channel. It's completely something that you want to have. If you want to have that, you can actually have it. So what are you waiting for? You can basically have all of it all together, making the real impact that you want to make. Now whenever you want to do that, what are the things that you need to do? You can have views just like that. You can see they are having views like 100 to 200k every single day. Beats, they are uploading really frequently. Let's go up here and you will be actually be able to see that how many videos they upload. So how many times they upload, you can see on January, on 17th they have uploaded, on 15th, 17th, and again on 23rd, on 24th, on 29th, on again on February 2. That means you can see what they upload a minimum very less. They upload hardly twice or almost twice or once or twice every single week. That means what? That means it is having so much potential that you will be super happy on yourself, and you will be actually be making something really great out of it. And here we are here onto the text to speech, and whenever you come into video to text, you can basically make that. You have got the script that you want, you have got the voiceover that you want, you can actually make script of yours, you can actually now have the video that you all have right now. So you have got the whole cheat sheet that people were using, and you have unlocked this thing. So what are you waiting for? Dive in right now. Go to the link in the description, the first link into the description, so that you can actually get set into the something that will be completely be changing your life. And by that, you will be actually be able to make money with YouTube without using your face or your voice. So right now, I hope that you have understood the whole thing. That was all for today. See you again on another video. Bye for now.